Hello and welcome back to the Finance Spark, the place for you to spark your financial mindset. Many wealth experts say that to become richer, you either need to make more money or spend less of what you make. If you're already working full-time at a job, then you may wonder how it is possible to make more money than you already are. Well, that is where side hustles come in. Side hustles are jobs you do on the side that help you increase your income while still keeping your main job. If you want to improve your monthly income streams, then starting a side hustle is the way to go. In this video, we're going to review 7 side hustles that you can start from home to earn extra money this year. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is transcribing. This side hustle requires you to listen to audio or video content and convert them to the written word. You really need to be great at both listening and typing. In transcribing, you can earn anywhere from $10 up to $60 an hour. There are many sites available for freelancers to get transcription jobs, such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Scribble. GoTranscript is also a website available for freelancers. Since you can make 60 cents per audio or video minute, if you transcribe an hour-long audio or video clip, they'll pay you $36. With some determination and patience, you can earn from $150 to $1,200 in a single month. If you're good at typing, transcribing is one of the best side hustles that you can try. The second on our list is becoming a virtual assistant. If you're on TikTok, you've probably seen a bunch of videos about the perks of being a virtual assistant. This side hustle will rarely fail you. But what does a virtual assistant do? You'll be looking into the daily operations of your client's business, such as scheduling appointments, email management, or even arranging itineraries for your client's travels. This job does not require specific skills, which means anyone can be a virtual assistant. You can earn from $10 to $30 per hour depending on the client and the nature of your work. If it is your first time as a virtual assistant, you'll probably earn a bit less, but the rates will gradually increase over time. If you want to start working as a virtual assistant, you need to sign up to different job search sites, such as onlinejobs.com, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. From there, you can start applying for virtual assistant positions. Number 3 on the list is selling your skills or services on Fiverr. Companies and teams may need the skills of digital artists to provide creative media work. Often, Fiverr.com is one of their go-to sites to hire designers. It is an online marketplace that connects businesses with freelancers. You can post skills you're offering and wait for companies to hire you. To start freelancing on Fiverr, go to Fiverr.com and click Sign Up at the top of the page. After you create an account, click on Switch to Selling at the top of the page. Then, click on Gigs and start posting your gigs. Making money on Fiverr depends on 3 things. First is the services or skills you are selling. Second is your level of expertise. And the third is how much in demand are the skills and services you are selling. Many who work through Fiverr make several $100s a month. But if you can offer a quality service in an in-demand category, chances are you will make a lot of money from this side hustle. Like what you're watching? Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Spark, where we post up videos every week to help you spark your financial mindset. And don't forget to hit that like button and smash the bell icon to be notified every time we release a new video. 4th on our list is advertising digital products in Creative Market. If you have not heard of Creative Market, it is basically a digital marketplace where you can buy digital goods, such as templates, designs, or other sort of graphics. This side hustle can help you generate hundreds of dollars by simply uploading your digital goods. Simply go to creativemarket.com and create an account. After that, click Open Shops and fill out necessary information. From there, you can start selling your products. This side hustle does not require you to be online 24/7. Just put your digital products online and wait for people to purchase them. This is one of the best ways to generate passive income. But Creative Market is not the only site that advertises digital products. You can also sell on sites such as Envato, Redbubble, or Etsy. After you upload your designs, sit and wait for sales to come in. The question now is, how much money can you make? There is no fixed answer for this question since it really depends on the demand for your product. But there are sellers who make millions of dollars by selling their digital goods on Creative Market. However, there are people who only earn a few dollars a month. So, it depends on the quality and the demand for your product. Number 5. Teaching classes on Skillshare. Skillshare is a website that offers educational videos to students. It's a platform that allows you to learn anything in the form of a series of videos. Anyone can teach on Skillshare, with the only requirement being a little bit of know-how. How can you join Skillshare? To join, visit Skillshare.com and create an account. After signing up, scroll down to the end of the page and click Become a Teacher. Then click Start a Class. You'll be directed to categories in which you'll choose the types of courses you're going to upload. Creating classes is free. You don't need to pay any fees to post a class once you join Skillshare. You can choose any concept you like, but many teach skills such as how to use video editing tools or how to upload products on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. These are just a couple ideas of the type of courses you can make. How do you make money on Skillshare? Skillshare pays teachers by the minute. You'll be paid 6 cents whenever a premium student watches your videos. Teachers can earn as much as $200 to $3,000 in their first month alone. And top teachers can earn close to $100,000 by just uploading their courses on Skillshare. In order to do better on Skillshare, create a course in a topic that you're passionate about or is an area of expertise. You can even use Skillshare's free tutorials to learn how to be successful on Skillshare. This side hustle is quick to learn and you can do it from your home. All you have to do is share what you already know. The 6th side hustle to help you earn extra money from home is becoming an online English teacher. You might be thinking right now, how can I be a teacher if I don't have a degree? This side hustle does not need any certification or degree. Teaching English online only requires your ability to speak English. If you're a native English speaker or someone proficient in English, you can be an online English teacher. Cambly, Native Camp, and Preply are free websites where you can start this side hustle. In joining these sites, you need to create a free account. However, some sites have specific requirements like taking an English proficiency test. If you pass the test, you'll qualify for an interview and then can start working as a tutor. In joining Cambly, go to cambly.com, then scroll down. At the very bottom, click on Become a Tutor. And from there, create a profile, answer a few questions, and do an internet connection test. How do you make money from being an online English tutor? This really depends on the hours you spend teaching students. There are sites that offer $10 to $50 an hour. For other sites like Preply, you can set your own teaching rates, then wait for the students to sign up. The last on our side hustle list is being a social media manager. Among all the side hustles, this is probably the most underrated. The task of a social media manager is to supervise someone's social media accounts. Businesses and entrepreneurs will usually hire a social media manager since they don't have enough time to do the task themselves. What are the basic tasks of a social media manager? Typically, they will create and post content on their clients' social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. If you need inspiration, use sites such as Creative Market to find design templates to help spark your creativity. Social media managers charge anywhere from $15 an hour to at least $150 per hour. If you're good at multitasking, you can manage multiple social media accounts for multiple clients, increasing your potential revenue. To get started, visit Upwork.com and search for social media management jobs. Start job hunting now. Of course, these 7 side hustles are just scratching the surface. Do you have any side hustles you think should be added to this list? Let us know and share them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to Finance Spark for a regular stream of great videos to help you achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. And remember, always keep sparking your financial mindset.